Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into a product from Armor All. I picked this up at Walmart. You can also find them online. And if you know me, I love taking care of my cars. I actually just recently on Black Friday purchased a 2020 Kia Telluride. And I have my shop vac here at the house and everything, but I like to clean the car wherever I go, whether I'm visiting family or anywhere else. I like to keep my car clean. So I wanted to pick up a little portable vacuum that I could possibly keep in the car. Now I looked at these online, not this specific one, but other ones, and they range anywhere from $40 to $60. And I just didn't want to spend that much for something I'm going to keep in my car. At home I'll just use my shop vac most of the time, and then this is going to be very handy to just have in the car for wherever I am. It runs off the 12-volt plug in your car. I picked this up for $22 or something like that, so a really good price. The reason the other ones that I was looking at were a little bit higher was because they were cordless, battery operated, and this is actually kind of nice because you don't have to worry about recharging the battery or anything like that, having a dead battery while you're trying to clean your car somewhere else, anything like that. So I found this and I decided to pick it up, and I used it for the first time today, and it worked really well. So I'm going to go over it with you guys. So if you're interested, you can find it online or go to Walmart, pick it up for a couple dollars, over $20. So it's for wet and dry pickup. It's got an LED. I'm going to go over all of this with you. So it's got different attachments and everything. 1-year warranty. That's the box it comes in. It comes with an instruction manual and everything, how to clean it and all of that. Actually, it's a little dirty right now, so I do have stuff inside of it. I didn't dump it out after I cleaned the car. It does come in this little pouch. Nothing fancy, but it's nice to keep everything together. So you get a 16-foot cord, so you can do basically your entire vehicle from wherever you plug it in. Other than that, here it is. Orange. It's all plastic. On the bottom here, you're going to have another attachment. It's going to be a brushed attachment. Got some fuzz on there. I don't know if I really like this little holder down here. Sometimes it holds it really well. Sometimes it tends to almost fall out. But I'll probably most likely just keep it in the bag anyways with the other attachment, which is, it's got teeth and it's rubber. So for when you're doing like wet cleanup or anything like that, it really creates a good suction against the carpet and stuff and picks stuff up very well. I won't be able to test it in here, but stay tuned for another video, which I will be doing soon, of actually what I do to clean the interior of my vehicles. So you get this attachment, the brushed attachment. It is weird because each one can only be used a certain way. Oh yeah. Here you have the power button, and this is the release for the front, and you have to click it to put it back on. So as far as this attachment, you can only use it in the main portion here. And then for this attachment, you can't use it in the main portion. You actually have this part that flips over, and you kind of tuck it inside to create a good seal. And you can use it this way, or you can install the brushed portion, which I actually find works really well. Now this isn't a vacuum that you're going to do a large area really fast, it's only so big, so it's going to take you a little bit, but it works very well. So this attachment does not work on here. It only works in the main portion. So the other great thing about this is it's great for down in those crevices. Let's say beside your seat, under your seat, behind your gas and brake pedal, stuff like that. It gets in there really well, so that's really nice. Whereas my shop vac, it does okay, but sometimes it's too long or too bulky to get in certain spots. So this does really well, and that kind of clips in place right there. When you remove this, you have the filter here. I'm gonna make a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this out. Okay, so I got a majority of it off. So this is going to be your filter. It's reusable. You just clean it off. And then inside of here is actually your trap. you have a max line, so when you get so much, dirt and debris and stuff in here, you need to dump it. After you remove the filter, you can go ahead and grab this, and it does come out as well. And this is where all your, dirt and debris is going to be at. And then you can clean this off and dump out your trash. And then it simply just reinstalls, sits in there. Then you take your filter and you push it right back in place, and you're good to go again. Really simple, easy to clean, and it works very well. So stay tuned. I'm sorry I don't have an outlet in here to be plugging this in or anything, but stay tuned for one of my next videos where I'll be doing a complete, basically, interior detail of my car with this vacuum and everything. But you can also find other videos on YouTube of this vacuum. It's been out a few years, and it'll pick up pennies and everything else. So if it can pick up a penny, like a guy states in another video, it can basically clean anything in your car that you need it to. So that's it for this review. $20 for a little portable car vacuum from Armor All. I think that's a great deal. Way better than spending $40 or $60. Not that that would be a bad option. That's just not what I wanted to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. I'll try and link it down in the description if it's available online. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.